Connecting a new device on ING 2026 can be straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. This guide will help you set up your device quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Prepare your device. Ensure that your new device is fully charged and connected to a stable internet connection. This is crucial for a smooth setup process. Step 2. Access the ING app. Open the ING app on your current device. If you don't have the app installed, download it from your device's app store and log in with your credentials. Step 3. Navigate to device management. In the app, locate the settings or account section. Look for an option labeled device management or add new device to begin the connection process. Step 4. Enter device information. Follow the prompts to enter the required information for your new device. This may include the device type, model, and any unique identifiers needed for the connection. Step 5. Confirm and connect. After entering the necessary details, review the information for accuracy and confirm the connection. You should receive a notification or message indicating that your new device is successfully connected. By following these steps, you should be able to connect your new device on ING 2026 without any hassle. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.